सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Verse number 95. चतुर्मूर्तिश्चतुर्बाहुः चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्गतिः चतुरात्मा चतुर्भावः चतुर्वेदविदेकपात्. In this 95th sloka, Lord Vishnu described as all in four arms and four shoulders. That's four forms and four arms. When we listen the Vishnu Murti, we get the picture of Chaturbhujaha. The Chaturmurti, the four-formed one. We can take it as four-formed one who manifests in the form of four Vedas. The Lord is none other than four Vedas. So the four Vedas represents Lord. Therefore Chaturmurti, Chaturbahuhu, all comes under four. And Chaturvyuhaha, Chaturgatihi, these four Purusharthas also, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, ultimate moksha, these four Purusharthas and four Vedas. You can see Karma Kanda, Upasana Kanda and Gnana Kanda. So Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So Artha, Kama fulfilled by in the Karma Kanda. And Moksha, Gnana Kanda. So whom you can know ultimately? Lord. Lord's Nijaswarupam. The real nature of the Lord we can know by the four Gatis, Chaturgatihi. Who has shown the four Gatis? Who can attain these four Gatis? Whoever follows all their Varna Dharma. Chaturvaranyam, Maya Srishtam. Bhagavan said, I have only created all four Varnas. Because whoever follow Brahmana, Brahmana Karma, Brahmana Vidhi, and Kshatriya follow Kshatriya Dharma, Vaisya follow Vaisya Dharma, and Sudra follows Shudra Dharma. According to their Varna, according to their Ashrama, all four ashramas, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. So all the four ashramas, four Varnas are beautifully designed to know these four Purusharthas, and four Purusharthas ultimately take the person to the Lord real nature by four Vedas. This is the scheme designed by our great ancestors, rishis, given by Bhagavan, but designed, practiced into the put into practice important. Otherwise, if it is there in the book, what is the use? Therefore, they practice that way. So you can take four Vedas, four Varnas, four Ashramas, four Purusharthas, who represents Lord Vishnu. Ultimately, we know Lord Vishnu, who is really formless. So to know that formless real nature, I have to worship the Lord through these Vedas, through these Varnas, through these Ashramas, through these Purusharthas. So we should not forget this. Once I born in the culture, what is my role? What is my duty? So daily Deva Puja is important. Rishi Ranam, Rishi Yajnam, reading Shastra, weekly once or twice or thrice. Veetla padikkirathu vere, but you go to Satsanga and study the Shastra. It is very common in those days, temples. Pravachanam is going on morning, afternoon, in the evening. The Pravachanam is compulsory there. It's very, very common those days. In every village, after cooking, it's over job, all people go to the temple and do Shravanam. And Panchanga Shravanam first they do. What is today date, Tithi, Nakshatram, Varam, adella sollanum first. Adi mudichindukku appuram da they will start this. Panchanga Shravanam every day is like a chanting Veda madri. Panchanga Shravanam is also very important. After that Panchanga Shravanam only they will start our these textbooks. Every day it is. There is no other hobbies for them. No? Ade hobby da. Eating, going sitting there and listening Shravana. So very relaxed life. No? The temples are meant for that. Now you can't study in the temple. Temples have become different now. It's in villages, so population is less. There we can. Here also some temples going on, but many people won't sit there. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is called Chaturgadhi, Chaturatmana, one who is whose mind is Mano, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chittam. All these four are there. Chaturatma, Mano, Buddhi, Ahankara, Chitta, Antakarana, Chatushtayatmakatvat, Chaturatma. Chaturbhavaha also, the Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Then Chaturvedavit, who Yathavit. That's what we have to see, no? Over Ekapata? Chaturbhavaha. Chaturbhavaha is 770. Chaturbhavaha. Up to Chaturatma we saw in the last class. Chatur Dharmartha Kama Mokshakya Purushartha Chatushtayam Bhavati Utpadyate Asmat Iti. From whom this Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha have come, the source of these four, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Who is the source? Lord Vishnu is the source. Otherwise people will question, who gave these four Purusharthas, who gave Varnas? Chaturvaranyam Maya Srishtam, Bhagavan said. So I have only created. The next line is very important. If you take only first line, Chaturvarnyam Maya Srishtam, then people will quarrel. You created Brahmanas and you created Sudras, and in between they are all fighting each other. Bhagavan said, it's not my mistake. Guna Karma Vibhagashaha. I have divided them by their guna and their karma. So, if you are having these gunas, who are all having their Brahmanas, Bhagavan kept. Who are all having these gunas, they are Kshatriyas. And this set of gunas who are all having, they are called Vaisyas. And who are all having these gunas, Sudras. So according to guna and their profession, I have divided. Not my whims and fancies. I like Brahmanas, therefore they always praising, reading about me. That's why I have taken Brahmanas in high pedestal. This is, we have to use our sense here, no? Common sense. Guna Karma Vibhagashaha. Whoever does these karmas, they are Brahmanas. So you also want to become Brahmin, you can become Brahmin. Try. These are the levels Bhagavan kept. We are going to see in the 4th chapter, very detailed. So therefore, Dharmartha Kama Moksha Kya Purushartham. That 4 Purusharthas. What are the 4 Purusharthas? Dharma. Living a righteous way of life. So we have to live a righteous way of life. Dharmikama Varna. Legitimately, I have to live. Not having too many desires. Illegitimate desires. No? Need is different. Want is different. We want. So you have to, iti dharmikama, I have to fulfill my dharma, artha, kama. So dharmama, artha, kama fulfill panna. That is, then only it will lead to moksha. So artha, earn money nicely and spend for good cause. That's why Lakshmi Devi also important. And kama, fulfill your desires. Nothing wrong. See TV, but read Bhagavad Gita also. No, I want to see only TV all the time. Bhagavan kuttu kudupar. Na TV kudutha to enjoy, not to forget me. But what we are doing, I have given TV, house, bungalow, car and all comforts. And the more I am giving, I thought you will spend some time for my sake. So that you need not spend so much time for your work. So you can save time. With that time you can spend to study scriptures, to know about the real nature of Bhagavan. Namma enna pandrom? More comforts comes, more I am forgetting about Bhagavan. This is what happening. So the Bhagavan slowly he will take all those things. Avarku theriyum. So therefore, when I have all comforts, I have to remember more Lord. Then Bhagavan gives more comforts. This is the secret theriyadu nariya perukku. The secret theriyadu. But we are enamored by those pleasures. We are enamored by those, cable TVs. All comforts, all gadgets are only the more, even computer, even website, email, anything you can use for the sake of Lord. The Bhagavan appreciates. That is the manifestation of the Lord. Any intelligence, any talent you take in the creation, only to go towards the Lord. See, your direction towards me that side. Then Bhagavan is so happy. We never blame anything. Any pleasure, anything what we are enjoying today, modern world, they're all manifestations of the Lord. Even phone comfort also. No, every comfort. Why can't we utilize them into for the sake of the spiritual pursuit? That's why our Swamis are all using now emails, website, all for spiritual lectures. Now some channels are there. In TV also they are using for Pravachanam and all, they are giving some channels. But very few people are seeing. So therefore proportion must be there. So Ardha Kama also, you fulfill the desires, then slowly you will get maturity, you come to moksha. Why? Bhagavan is called Chatur Bhavaha. Those 4 Purusharthas are none other than Bhagavan. Chatur Vedavit. All the 4 Vedas, the knower of all 4 Vedas. Yathavat Veti. Yathavat means as it is. Veti knows. What he knows as it is. Chaturnam Vedanam Arthamiti. Chaturnam means all 4. Vedanam means of Vedas. Artha means meaning. So till today we have chanted Vishnu Sahasranama from so many years we are chanting. But today only we are seeing the meaning. Isn't it? So Vishnu Sahasranama, 1000 names to understand Artha, meaning to study means how many months it is taking. If you know Artha, it is more effective. So Lord Vishnu is one who knows the meaning, the Artha of the Vedas. So Parayanam is different. Knowing Artha is different. Beginning stages, initial stages, Parayanam. We need not bother about Parayanam much now. Now you are all matured, grown up. Parayanam, when I started Vishnu Sahasranama class, everybody came, they thought it is Parayanam. So heavy crowd, you don't imagine, so hall full and they are sitting outside also. There is Parayanam oriented people. Parayanam நிறைய பேருக்கு கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் சித்தமா சொல்றது படிக்கிறதுன்னு. So now you can reduce the time too much Parayanam. You have to go into Artha. Artha is important. If you can't grasp Artha now, 80 years, age of 80, 90, what you can grasp Artha? So this Parayanam and all actually at the age of 8 to 12, Parayanam. Afterwards no Parayanam. Now you are matured, 18 years, 20 years means you are able to grasp the Artha. Now 8-year-old child like Vishnu Sahasranama Artham Chana Puriyama. Puriyadu. Those days, that's why they used to keep the classes separately for Parayanam. That's why in Vedic heritage classes, we won't teach meaning for the children. Even if we say meaning, they cannot understand. They are not matured up to that to grasp the meaning. So they have to learn only by heart, Parayanam, Panni. Then 12 years, 13 years, 14 years comes, they are able to grasp the meaning. Up to age of 60 we are doing Parayanam. According to our scriptures, Parayanam we have to finish by 12 years. அதனால குழந்தைங்க குருகுலல சேர்த்துட்டேன்னா 8 இயர்ஸ்லேருந்து 12 இயர்ஸ்க்குள்ள பாராயணம் எல்லாம் ஒரு வேதமும் எல்லாம் முடிச்சிடும். பாராயணம் கிட பாராயணம் பை ஹார்ட் கண்டஸ்தம். Any sloka, mantra, pushpam, everything. Rudram, Chamakam, Namakam, everything. Afterwards they will stop. That's the unfortunate thing. Some people, those are doing Parayanam, then afterwards they never try for meaning to know. They have to get a good teacher who will teach the meaning, Artham. Then only you can know what is real essence of Vedas. சும்மா பாராயணம்லோன்னு நான் டைம் எல்லாம் போகக்கூடாது. பாராயணம் ஜபம் அதெல்லாம் பண்ணி அப்புறம் அர்த்தத்துக்கு வரணும். கொஞ்சம் ஏஜ் ஜாஸ்தி ஆக ஆக நமக்கு மெமரி குறையும், அர்த்தம் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ அந்த எங்கே இருக்கும்போது ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ் நல்லா இருக்கும்போது நான் அர்த்தம் நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு அதை எஸ்டிமேட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஸோ லார்ட் விஷ்ணு இஸ் கால்டு வேதவித், சதுர்வேதவித். He knows that because he is the manufacturer. Manufacturer knows the products very well. So therefore Lord Vishnu is called Chaturvedavit. So at least சதுர்வேதம் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு வேதமாவது தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஒரு வேதம் முடியலன்னா அதில் இருக்கிற உபனிஷத்தாவது கற்றுக்கணும்னா அந்த 10 உபனிஷத்தில் 6 உபனிஷத்தில் ஏதோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எசன்ஸ் ஆகுது we have to rememberனா நமக்கு அதே முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. Imagine 4 Vedas studying is one life is not sufficient. To study one Veda 12 years it takes. 4 Vedas means impossible for human life. You have to understand meaning. Imagine. That's why one Gotra people have given one Veda. Yajushakadhyayi, Rukshakadhyayi, and the whole family tradition they follow that Veda. Bhagavan is Chaturveda Vitana. So we do Namaskara. Bhagavan is Ekapat. Ekapat means here Ekaha Padaha Asya. In Purusha Suktam also Pado Shvishva Bhutani Tripadas, like that it comes. That means if you make the whole creation Bhagavan as 4 quarters, 1 4, here 1 4, here 1 4, 1 4. Ekapada means indra only oka padam. In the oka padam the Bhagavan's manifestation in solram. The whole creation is 1/4 is the creation. You see, imagine other 3/4 Bhagavan's greatness. That's why 7 upper lokas, 7 lower lokas, idella creation 1/4 log varum. What about other 3? Inconceivable. You cannot comprehend it all. To know that you have to get only Atma Jnana. Other 3. In the 1/4 whatever you do, Upasana, Karma Kanda, all these things in the 1/4 da irukum. You have to go beyond all these things. Jagrata, Swapna, Sushupti. You have to go beyond 3M. Then you can go whole picture you will get. Adhika Varanamanna Sadhaname. Ekapat. Vishnu is Ekapat. Here. So Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also it seems, Vishtabhyaham imam Krishnam, idam Krishnam, ekamshena sthito jagat. Idam Krishnam, this total idam, this world, total jagat, idam Krishnam, ekamshena sthitaha. I am in my 1/4, ekamsham, amsham is one part. The ekamsham is sthitaha, in the jagat is standing. And Bhagavan one amshala. Adanda Bhagavan, it represents when he lifts the Govardhana Parvata in that little finger. You know? It shows this. What about whole Jagat? He lifted on little finger and avarku enna shakti imagine pannu. Manakku avaru bucket thulka mudiyadhu. Adukku ivela periya garvam ahankaram ella varudhu. Naanu da perusanu. Bucket thukna keela apdi nididum. Adinala the more you study about Bhagavan and you can know your own limitation, no? Adu therinjukkanum. You see a person, no, when they are walking, how they know, adu காமம் கர்வம் யவ்வன கர்வம் மாக்குரு தன ஜன யவ்வன கர்வம் ஹரத்தி நிமேஷாத் காலஸ்வரம். நம்ம இப்போ கண்ணு முடிந்து திறக்கிறதுக்குள்ள எல்லாமே மாயமாயிடும். அப்படிதான் நடக்கிறது லைஃப்ல. பட் ஏ பக்தா இஸ் ஒன் ஹூ நோஸ் த லிமிடேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் பாடி அண்ட் தேர் ஆர் வெரி இன்சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் பகவான். இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் பகவான். தட்ஸ் வை நான் ஒரு துளு பகவான் ஒரு ட்ராப்லெட். வி ஆர் லைக் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ். அந்த ட்ராப்லெட் அந்த பாவம் வந்து அகங்காரம் வரத்துக்கு சான்சஸே கிடையாது. when there is no ahankara, naturally you are a real bhakta. Real bhakta never have any iota of ahankara inside. அது இருந்தன்னா பக்தன் இல்லை, ஹிப்போக்ரட், தம்பாச்சாரஹான்னு சொல்லுவான். பகவான் இஸ் ஏகபாத். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா we'll read 96. समावत्तो निवृत्तात्मा दुर्जयो दुरतिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरारिह 773 समावर्तः समावर्तः वर्त means to move worth sama means in equilibrium skill also we can say skillness one who moves the samsara chakram skillfully he only created he has to move the samsara chakram this cycle samsara chakram see the whole jagat you see is in a cyclic form all rutus varams these all in a cyclic form again they come yugas also even varshas samvatsram also it is in a cyclic form so Lord Vishnu is samsara chakrasya samyak avartakah he is the one who moves the samsara skillfully samsara chakrasya samyak avartakah it is samavartah that's why they compare to the Lord to the pot maker the pot maker what he does he sits and make the pots and the chakram suthite irukum and he is go on doing in the clay and whatever shape he wants he makes the chakram go on moving so how the chakram moves the pot maker is sitting he is the one who operates it skillfully chaitra masam comes all flowers have to blossom when this again spring season rainy season everything has to come in the cycle we are spoiling அவருக்கு கூட எதையும் பண்ண முடியாமலே பண்ணறோம் அது நாம we are so great therefore the nature the whole cycle you see every chaitra masam a வேப்பம் பூ வருது கரெக்ட்டா அந்த டைமுக்கு any time a neem tree can say I will do strike this year chaitra masam I don't want to give வேப்பம் பூ mango also will strike every year they are eating these people 1 year I will take rest and சொன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும் water lemons are coming so all fruits at that time the whole nature the season the flowers everything you can see as though they are all falling when now these flowers are falling down when they are falling down they are as though they are worshipping the mother earth அப்படியே green carpet மாதிரி yellow carpet போட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கும் worshipping the mother they have grown up from the earth and they have blossomed oh mother you have given us and we are worshipping you they fall on the floor is it worshipping like soft you see many flowers falling on the road red color flowers white color a chakram that cycle it takes place the summer comes winter all seasons so samsaram samyak avartata who does all these things Bhagavan that Lord Vishnu does all these things so therefore samavartah then here anivrittatma or nivrittatma two ways you can take first nivrittatma we see 774th nama nivrittatma means acharya says sarvatra vartamanatvat sarvatra means all the places vartamanatvat irukar அவர் எல்லா இடத்துல இருக்கார் just like space ஆகாஷ how it is pervading இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா anywhere sarvatra vartate akash asamantat kashate edi akashah therefore Lord also asamantat all the place he pervades but he never nivrittatma he never turn away from there where he could turn away where is the place for him to turn away everywhere he is purastat dakshinatah uttaratah prishtatah everywhere he is there nivrittatma so sarvatra vartamanatvat na nivartate atma so he who never turn away he is called nivrittatma another meaning also we can say who turned away. Anivritta Atma, the first meaning. Nivritta Atma. Ama. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿವೃತ್ತ ಆತ್ಮಕದೆ ಇದು ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಇಪ್ಪು ಚೊಲ್ಲಪೊರದು ನ ನಿವೃತ್ತಾತ್ಮ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ತಮಾನತ್ವಾತ್ ನ ನಿವರ್ತತೆ ಅನಿವೃತ್ತಾತ್ಮ. ನಾವು ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ வந்து நிவೃತ್ತಾತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ இப்போ சொன்னது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொன்னது அனிவೃತ್ತಾತ್ಮ. he never turned away. Now you tell me, when he is everywhere, you can feel his presence in everything. Feeling the Lord's presence as Chaitanyam, that is called knowledge, that is called moksha, that is called liberation. Feeling the Lord's presence as Chaitanyam is called knowledge. Therefore, na nivartata iti nivrittatma, anivrittatma. Now, vishayebhyah nivartata, the one who turns away from the objects of senses. That's called nivartatma. Nivartana means turning away from the sense objects. All jnanis are also nivrittatma. They never carry away by the sense objects. Even though they are involving the sense objects interaction, they always remember that higher nature. Therefore, jnanis very much exist in between us, and they, even in spite of interaction and all, they never lose sight of that true nature. Therefore, he who turns away from the sense objects. நம்ம என்ன நினைக்கிறோம், turning away என்ன கண்ணு மூடுறதோ காது மூடுறதோ, no, closing eyes, that's a sitting in samadhi so that you can see the Lord உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்காருன்னு. Go introvert. எப்படி போவோம் introvert? What train you will take to go inside? You cannot take any train, bus. You cannot go inside. So therefore, here turning away means sometimes you sit in front of the TV, but your eyes are seeing, but you don't know what you are seeing. என்ன மனசு இல்லை, இந்த பிஹைண்ட் மனசு எங்கேயோ போயிருக்க, கிச்சன்ல பால் வச்சுட்ட ஸ்டவ் மேல. So I have to go there, but you are in front of the TV, but your eyes are seeing, but you do not know what, you cannot register, isn't it? So your mind has gone. Similarly, even though we are seeing, interacting, wife, children, husband, everything, family, people, so many interactions, as though I am seeing, as though listening, but my mind is totally with the Lord. This is what Mahajnanis, Mahatmas behave in this world. But people do not know this. Immature people knows that. The wise people knows that. But immature people think, our namma madre saapadare. They are also wearing dress like us only. They are also moving like us only. They are also laughing like us only. கொஞ்சம் கூட டிஃபரன்ஸ் இல்லாமலே இருக்காரு. அப்போ அவரை ஞானம் இருக்கான்னு டவுட் வருது எனக்கு. ஆனால் so this is very difficult to know. Even though they are in the world, the people and all, they always with that real nature, in the brahmasthiti, no? That is called brahmanishtatva. அது கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது நமக்கு எங்க இருக்காரு, unless I reach to that state. Until that time வணங்கி நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண வேண்டியதான். So you have to do namaskar. Such people are there in the society. So they are only blessing the society. Their presence, their walk is blessing the society. Therefore, nivrittatma here. That is nivrittatma. First one is anivrittatma. Here nivrittatma. Next one durjayaha. 775. Durjayaha. You know, durjayaha means one who cannot be conquered easily. Dukkhena jetum shakyata iti. Very difficult to conquer him, as no one can conquer him. Durjayaha. Who can conquer him? If you want to conquer only this materialistic body, mind, complex, these are all limited. In front of that Chaitanyam, the real true nature, these are all useless. Useless means it compared to that. Therefore, durjayahana. This body cannot do anything, this mind cannot do anything. That Atma, that whose real nature is Atma, whose manifestation form is Vishnu. That Vishnu as Saguna Ishvara, as a Nirguna Ishvara is called Atma. So this body, mind, all this intellect, all are subordinates to the Atma. Even other Devatas, all are subordinates to the Lord Vishnu. So know the limitation of this body. Know the limitation of this body and its time limit also. Time limit தெரியலையேன்னு தெரியாது, தெரிஞ்சனா இன்னும் குழப்பம். தெரியாமல் இருக்கிறது நல்லது, தெரியாமல் இருக்கிறது நல்லது. So you do not know the limit, how many days we are going to be in this body. It's a very nice instrument, use it fast. No? Whatever you can acquire. Don't waste your time, energy. Use your energy, time for that sake. Some people say, no, time is money. Time is money. 1 hour, how many dollars you can earn? How many rupees you can earn? Within these days, target. Next year, how many lakhs I have to show my income. Time is money. Our Shastra says time is not money, time is knowledge. Time is knowledge. Every minute, every second, I have to use this second for my knowledge. I have to grow. No one can steal. If my knowledge, no one can steal. It is with me, But money, earthquake vanda podum. Or earthquake. Out. Whole property. If na padachana, at least knowledge is with me. This knowledge will continue. Body may not continue. I don't bother. But this knowledge will continue. Vishnu Sahasranama knowledge will continue. We will get moksha in this janma itself, no birth. Suppose, adavadu prarabdha karma, stop adutuna. I hope all my students will get knowledge, no doubt in that. I am talking about other students. So that knowledge will continue. The knowledge will continue. So therefore, that is called real Jayam. No? Bhagavan is very, very Durjayahan. Difficult to conquer. That Atma Swarupam, very difficult to conquer. Durjayaha. Next one, 776. Duratikramaha. Duratikramaha. Atikrama means தாண்டி போகிறது. ஏதாவது வார்த்தை சொன்னான்னா, suppose if you say something, they won't hear your words. That is called அத்திக்கிரமணம். சொன்னது கேட்காமல் பண்றது அத்திக்கிரமணம். Duratikramaha means the one who cannot go beyond his words or beyond his rules. Even the Surya, Chandra, Yama, all these devatas cannot go beyond this Lord Vishnu. Duratikramaha. யாருக்குமே இவர்னு தாண்டி போக முடியாது. நீ இவர் என்ன சொன்னா அதுதான் பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும். அதுக்கு பிரமாணம் இருக்கு உபனிஷத்துல. உபனிஷத்துல என்ன சொல்ற? பயாஸ் தபதி. Bhayas Agni Stapati, Bhayat Tapati Surya. This Agni Devata, Stapati means he is Tapati. He is so much frightened. Frightened of Lord Vishnu. So he has to do his job. அவனை சொன்னேன், நான் இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூலாக இருப்பேன், எப்போ சூடாக இருந்து இதுக்கு அக்னி தேவதா. Suppose he thinks, today I don't want to give heat anywhere అని நினைச்சு முடியாது. அதுதான் கால துரத்திக்கிரம இருக்கார், அங்கே விஷ்ணு இருக்கார். He cannot go beyond that. Whatever Agni means, your tattva means Vishnu. நீங்க அது பண்ணிதான் ஆகணும்னா. Surya Stapati, Surya also, he has to give light to the whole Jagat. சூரிய பகவான் சேஸ், இனி கொஞ்ச நாள் ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அப்போ எல்லாம் ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்றான், நான் மாத்திரம் ஏன் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கணும்? ஒரு நாள் பண்ண பரவாயில்லையே. அந்த சூரிய தபதி என்ன, அவர் அப்படியே கிடுகிடுகிடு பகவான் controlled by that Lord Vishnu. Surya Tapati. Then Bhayad Indrascha Vayuscha Mrityur Dhavati. Bhayam, ரொம்ப பயமா. This Bhayat Indraha also. Indra also should do his duties. Bhagavan, Vishnu and avada bhayam anamata. All these devatas have lot of powers only through Vishnu only. So எப்போ இந்த போஸ்ட் போயிடுமோ பயம். இப்போ நம்ம எலெக்ஷன்ஸ் பார்த்தா doldrums, all their positions are in doldrums. எப்போ இது போயிடும், இன்செக்யூர். Indra is insecure, Surya is insecure. If they don't do their job, who starters udane immediately. Indrascha, Vayu also have to always give the breeze. ఆయన కొంచెం நேரம் స్ట్రైక్ பண்ண కొంచెం రెస్ట్ எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ఆల్వేస్ మూవింగ్, గో ఆన్ మూవింగ్ మూవింగ్ మూవింగ్. వాయుదేవత ఆల్వేస్ మూవింగ్ ఓన్లీ, హీ నెవర్ సిట్స్. அவர் சிட்ஸ்னா போச்சு. பகவான் கிரியேஷன் பண்றதெல்லாம் விரதாயிடும். வாயு இஷ்டான வாயு ஹேஸ் டு கோ ஆன் மூவிங். தட்ஸ் வை பிராண இஸ் மூவிங். மூச்சை எடுத்துட்டே இருக்கும். சப்போஸ் தட் வாயு ஹூ இஸ் இன்சைட், டுடே ஐ வில் டேக் ரெஸ்ட். That's why we are leaving the body, no? He take rest in this body, but he moves also outside. So Vayuscha, not only that, Mrityur Dhavati, this Yamadharmaraja gone running it up. Dhavati means running. Not only by out of fear, they are running. That's why Mrityu is so busy. He has to do his job. All old, ella useless. Eduthuko, no? Ella prarabdha karma mudichittaana, even though they are not old, prarabdha karma over. Take. Vacate பண்ண வேண்டியத இடம். So therefore Mrityu is so busy, and now you can't stop him because he is afraid of Vishnu, so he has to do his duty. So we cannot stop the Mrityu Devata also. Therefore Duratikramaha, no one can go beyond his words. Duratikramaha. Durlabhaha. For that another pramana is Mahad Bhayam Vajramudyatam. Tremendous fear for all these devatas, as the Vajramudyatam is keeping the hands that Vajrayudham Kaila Vechna eppadi irukum. He is controlling with that ayudhan, Lord Vishnu. Durlabha means, labh means to attain. Durlabha means durlabhaya bhaktya labhyatvat. We can attain that Lord, labhyaha, with very much difficulty. It's very much difficulty. Only we can attain that Lord. What is that difficulty? Bhaktya. Bhakti pandrathu kuda kashtam da. That's why all bhaktas suffered. This is Durlabha means, Durlabha, and with very difficulty only you can attain that Lord. Who? Lord Vishnu. You can attain that Lord with so much difficulty. You take any bhakta, happily attain Lord. Any bhakta, can you show me? Tyagaraja, Mirabai, no? Any bhakta, Tukaram. Who are all the bhaktas? Shabari. No? Any bhakta. Gidi solla nanu peru. Prahlada, Dhruva, Ramadas, Meera. அப்படியே ஆடிட்டே இருக்கணும் பகவானோட பேர். புரந்தரதாஸ். தமிழ்நாடுல நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. So all these bhaktas suffered a lot, but they never thought they are suffering. They have no feeling of that suffering, but people are thinking. But they have happiness in that. சுகம்ல ஒரு அந்த கஷ்டம்ல ஒரு சுகம் இருக்கு. இனிமையே தன்மை இல்லை. ஒரு துக்கத்துல ஒரு சுகம், ஆனந்தம் இருக்காது. அது வேற மீனிங், அது கான்டெக்ஸ்ட் வேற. நான் எல்லாம் குழப்பம் பண்ணுவேன் தமிழ்ல இருந்து. துர்லபயா பக்தியான, த்ரூ பக்தி ஓன்லி யூ கேன் கெட். பக்தி இருந்தணும். அந்த பக்தியில கூட ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அந்த சக்குபாய், ஆல் தீஸ் பீப்புள் லாட் ஆஃப் ஸ்ட்ரகிள்ஸ் தே ஃபேஸ். நமக்கு என்னன்னா, நான் இவ்வளவு பக்தி பண்றேன், பகவான் எனக்கு கஷ்டம் கொடுக்குறாருன்னு நினைக்கிறோம் நாம. ஸோ துர்லபகான்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் பகவானுக்கு. ஸோ வித் ஈஸிலி யூ கேன் நெவர் அட்டைன் பகவான். You have to struggle. So many obstacles comes. When you have so much bhakti, mamiyar problem, mamanar problem, ella varum veetlo. Even husband, Mirabai, how much problem she faced. Every bhakta underwent so much of trouble, torture. So therefore, but they attained. Bhagavan only gives those problems. இப்ப நிறந்த நமக்கு ப்ராப்ளமே இல்லை. இப்போ கம்பேர் டு தோஸ் பக்தாஸ், we are free. சின்ன குழந்தை பிரஹலாத எத்தனை கஷ்டம். own father gave us so many problems. own father. அந்த சின்ன குழந்தை துருவன் போய் எங்கேயோ நிலந்து தப்பம் பண்ணி பகவானுக்காக. So be ready to face the problems. Make the problems as situations. Bhagavan used to say thanks. Kunti Devi used to say thanks to Bhagavan. Whenever any custom comes, dukkham, Bhagavan, I am very happy. Namo or goodbye to Bhagavan. We say one goodbye to Bhagavan. Many ladies used to say, I am worshipping 30 years Bhagavan. Enna pantaru avanukku? Podum panna pooja vittidu anu solli they will do that. Idenna theriyala. Durlabhaya bhaktya labhyatva durlabha. Vyasacharya says durlabhaya means here janmantara sahasreshu tapo gnana samadhibihi. Durlabha means what is durlabham? Here says what is the difficulty? Janmantara sahasreshu, thousands of janmas you have taken, underwent with so many problems. Coming into this body, going itself is a problem, no? Janmantara sahasreshu, adella tapam panni, you have done lot of tapas in previous janmas. To attain the Lord, you have taken so many births, so many janmas you have taken, and so much austerity you have followed, so much tapam, tapas, vratam and all you have done. Gnanam also, so much knowledge you have attained, not Brahma Gnana. Knowledge means you have got so much of knowledge about this Bhagavan, doing all this vratams, puja pannona konja gnana irukkanum illa, eppadi pannanum enna pannanum and gnana irukku. So samadhi, meditation, upasana, japam, తీవ్రமா జపం பண்ணி అది பண்ணி ఇది பண்ணி எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டோம், ஜன்ம ஜன்மலேருந்து பண்ணிட்டு வந்ததுனால தான் I am able to attain now. In this janma I am attaining Brahma Gnanam, I am attaining the Lord Vishnu is not this janma. You have done lot of sahasra, not one janma, rendu janma, sahasravana, thousands of janmas you have taken, you have underwent so many problems. That's why you get sometimes doubt. Small children, youngsters get gnanam. Some old person romba gross irpa, bhakti kadiyadu, gnanam kadiyadu, tapassu kadiyadu. How this youngster will get gnana? How this young person become a gnani? Because he has taken so many janmas, that is brought forward here in this janma, that tapas, gnana, samadhi, the meditation, upasana, everything brought forward in this janma. They are called yoga brashtas. In this janma, spiritual genius. Guruve illiya, he has taken lot of janmas, taken so many gurus, followed in the janma, immediately he has come up. So that is why durlabha. Naranam, how you can attain? When the papa reduced only you can attain. Yen nanak brahmagnana varamatingiradana papam irukanga innum mootalo adu innum vacate agala adu solrar Vyasa Bhagavan. Naranam China papanam Krishne bhaktihi prajayate. And the Krishnanoda solren Krishna bhakti and the Vishnu mela bhakti varanam anna kuda Naranam Kshina papanam. In the Narana means human beings ke, and the papam eppu kshinikkarado Kshina papana Krishne bhaktihi prajayate. இதற்கு ரொம்ப பக்தி இருக்கு பகவான் மேல, அந்த பாப்பம் இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். பக்தியே வரமாட்டேங்கிறதுன்னா பாப்பம் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஐ எம் நாட் டெல்லிங், வியாச பகவான்ரே சொன்னார் ஸ்ருதில, மகாபாரதத்துல புராண சேஸ்னு நராணாம் க்ஷீண பாப்பானாம் கிருஷ்ணே பக்தி பிரஜாயத்தேன்னார். அந்த பக்தி பகவான் மேல பக்தி வரதே எவ்வளோ புண்ணியம் அన్నమాట. புண்ணியம் என்ன? பாப்பம் ரெடியூஸ்டு. தேர்ஃபோர் இது வியாச வச்சனாத், வியாச பகவானே சொல்லியிருக்கார். Not only that, Krishna Bhagavan himself said in Krishna Bhagavad Gita, Bhaktya labhyastvananyaya. I am attainable only through bhakti, not by any means. What is bhakti? Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atma Nivedanam. When you are free from raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, bhakti, a jwala comes out. இன்னைக்கு கோபம் வந்தது என்ன? யூ ஹவ் வெண்ட் அவே ஃப்ரம் த லார்ட், தட்ஸ் ஆல். இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் காமம் குரோதம் எல்லாம் இருக்கும் மனசுல இருந்தா கொஞ்ச நாள் டெம்பரரி ரிலீஃப் அన్నమాట. யூ ஆர் அவே ஃப்ரம் த லார்ட். லவ், ஜெனராசிட்டி, கம்பேஷன் இஸ் ஃப்ளோயிங் இன்சைட், யூனோ, ஜஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோயிங் இன்சைட், கமிங் அவுட், நோ, லைக் ஓஷன் மாதிரி. பகவான் இஸ், யூ ஆர் த மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் ஆஃப் பகவான். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் வி ஹாவ் டு ஆல்வேஸ் கீப் இன் த மைண்ட். இது நெரிச்சிட்டோம்னா அந்த காம குரோத ரோமா அதெல்லாம் வராது நமக்கு. ஏன்னா ஒரு வாட்டி கோபம் வந்துன்னா, ஐயோ இன்னைக்கு பகவானுக்கு 10 சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும் திருப்பி. ஏன்னா அந்த பண்ண பாவத்தை போகணும் இல்லையா? பாபம் போனால் தானே கிருஷ்ண பக்தி வரும். ஸோ இஃப் ஐ கெட் ஆங்கர் டுடே, ஐ ஹவ் ஷவுட்டட் அட் எனிபடி, ஐ ஹவ் ஷோன் மை ராகா துவேஷா மீன்ஸ் 10 சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பிரத்யாயனம் பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணணும். அந்த பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணால் அது கியூமுலேட்டிவ் ஆகிடும் நாளைக்கு. இன்னைக்கு பிராயசித்தம் பண்ணலன்னா நாளைக்கு கியூமுலேட்டிவ் ஆகிடும். கியூமுலேட்டிவ்னா இன்னும் டபுள் அனమాట, த்ரிபுல் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால பகவான் ப்ளீஸ் ஃபர்கிவ் மீ ஃபர்கிவ் மீ ஃபர்கிவ் மீ அழுதணும். தப்பு பண்ணிட்டான்னா ஒரு ஐ என்டர்டெயின் எனி negative thought or unhealthy thought, immediately I have to ask forgive me, ask the Lord, and Bhagavan gives you strength. You have to ask him, put in front of the Lord. Adda patram pushpam palam toyam idha alukella vekkaren onnu munnadi ani vechirukku paravalla. Bhagavan he will cleans you with rin surf madri he will clean you. Durlabha durgamaha 778 दुर्गमः दुःखेन गम्यते ज्ञायते. Lord Vishnu is one who can be known with so much difficulty. 8 மணி வரைக்கும் நான் தூங்குறேன். You cannot. No, you have to get up at 4 o'clock. You have to do asanas, pranayama, dhyana, nishtha, upasana, sandhyavandana, all these things at home, all my duties finish and start. దుఃఖం దాని అదెల్లామే, బాడీకి కష్టం, మనసుకి కష్టం, ಎಲ್ಲ కష్టం. బట్ యూ వోట్ ఫర్ మోక్ష. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ దట్ బెనిఫిట్ ఈవెన్ దో ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పెయిన్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్, బట్ ఐ విల్ గెట్ ఫలం, జ్ఞాన ఫలం ఐ విల్ గెట్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ గమ్యతే మీన్స్ జ్ఞాయతే. டு நோ த லார்ட் இட்ஸ் நாட் ஸோ ஈஸி. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பக்தி இருக்கு, ஆனால் மூலனால கொஞ்சம் கம்மி இருக்குன்னா, மூல கம்மி இருந்ததுன்னா ஞானம் வராது. should have a sharp intellect now, சூக்ஷ்ம புத்தி வேணும். bhakti helps you, but to sharpen your intellect only you can get the jnana. gamyate gnayate attains, you can know that Brahman by knowledge. தாரதாரையா நான் எழுதிட்டே இருக்கேன் பகவான் முன்னாடி, அவரே வந்து எனக்கு டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் பண்ண. நோ, ஐ ஹாவ் டு லிசன் எகெயின் எகெயின் எகெயின். ஸ்ரவணம் 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 பௌனః புண்ணியேன ஸ்ரவணம் குர்யாத். Again repeatedly listen and your intellect will sharpen, and that sharpening intellect grasp that tattvam. This is called dukkha anamata. You have to undergo, you have to படிக்கணும், நிறைய படிக்கணும், சாதனை பண்ணணும், அனுஷ்டானம் பண்ணணும், discipline the body, discipline the mind, discipline everything, நிரந்தரம் பண்ணணும் சதா. அது பண்ணதா சீக்கிரம் we can know that dukkena gamyate durgamahan. Then durgahan, दुर्गः अंतराय प्रतिहतैः दुःखात् अवाप्यत. दुर्गः न same meaning. दुर्गमः and दुर्गः also same. अंतराय प्रतिहतैः, so many obstacles. People won't allow you to go to Bhagavad Gita class. Responsibilities. Body won't allow you sometimes. And financial problems, வீட்டில் ப்ராப்ளம், ஹெல்த் ப்ராப்ளம், இதெல்லாம் அந்தராயம். அந்தராயம் obstructions, all obstacles comes நிறைய. So many relations will come and sit at home, so many people come, lot of problems, ஏதோ responsibilities, நமக்கு கனெக்ஷன் இல்லாமல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி வந்து விழும். அது அந்தராயம், பிரதிஹதம் அన్నమాట. they will obstruct you. துக்காத் அவாப்யத. இந்த கஷ்டத்துல வந்து நான், இந்த துக்கத்துல வந்து கூட I have to attain Durgaha. So don't think very easy to get Brahma Gnana. Very, very difficult, like walking on the razor's edge. It's Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, even Kathopanishad also it is said. It is like walking on the, Yamadharmara says, it is like walking like on the razor's edge. Spiritual path is not so easy. Be prepared for that. Be prepared. நிறைய கஷ்டங்கள் வரும், நிறைய many people will criticize you, even your family members will never cooperate with you, and they will give more and more obstructions. ஒன்றுக்கு மேலே ஒன்று அப்படியே கொடுத்துட்டே இருப்பான். So you have to, you should not leave the path. நிறைய பேர் இப்படி தான் மிடில்லே come back. So Durgahana, it's not so easy. lot of obstructions at the physical level, mind level. ஏதோ அஜ்ஞானம், பிராரப்த கர்மா அப்படியே பிடிச்சிருக்கும், புரியவே புரியாது, கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பான். go on listening, some obstruction, பிராரப்த கர்மா. some intellectual, புத்தில ஏதோ ஒரு obstruction, and all thoughts will come and disturbs the person. all otherwise the arrogance will obstruct in the intellect. So many intellectual obstructions. That's why Swami used his intellectual cholesterol. And intellectual cholesterol irundha kuda ningalku gnanam varadu. Kettite irpan. But he knows everything. Scholarly is the great. But the Shastra won't bless that person. Therefore it is difficult. Unless Ishvara Kripa, Guru Kripa, Shastra Kripa, Atma Kripa, they are not there, very difficult. In the all Kripa kaha na tavichi, I have to put forward. Then only I will get. Durgaha, Duravasaha, Dukkena, Dukkena, Avasyate, Chitte Yogibihi, Samadhau iti. Chitteshu are Yogibihi, Samadhau iti. These yogis, samadhi, those who are doing practicing meditation, upasana for them, avasa, this Bhagavan stay inside. With very difficult they can hold the Bhagavan inside, thought of the Bhagavan. Meditation பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும், மனசு இங்க அங்க போடிட்டே இருக்கும். துக்கேன ஆவாஸ் மீன்ஸ் பகவானுடைய சிந்தனம். தியானம் பண்ணும்போது ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய, ஓம் நமோ நாராயணாய இது ஜப்ப பண்ணும்போது அதுல இருந்து யூ ஹேவ் டு கோ டு சமாதி ஸ்திதி, அப்சார்ப்ஷன். And Triputi Bhavana should go away. I am the meditator, Bhagavan is different, meditated object, it should go away. I and Bhagavan should become one. That is called absorption. அதெல்லாம் வரணும்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம், ரொம்ப நாள் சாதனை பண்ணணும். அது ஒரு துக்கம் தான். You have to body pains for beginning meditation உட்கார்ந்து முட்டி வலி, முதுகு வலி எல்லாமே வரும், தலைவலி வரும் சில பேருக்கு. All problems comes. So these yogis also, those are practicing to hold the Bhagavan, to keep the mind in that Bhagavan fully, very difficult. So to entertain that Bhagavan inside is avasam of the Lord is very difficult. Avasaha. He says, Dukkena avasyate chitteshu. Chitteshu in the mind. Bhagavan engiyo irukar puja grahathula. Enna use? Chitteshanar. In my heart he should reside. Engo irundha enna kenna prayojanam? He should reside in my heart. Chitteshu yogivihi, by the yogis at the time of samadhi. So duravasaha. Next 781. Durarihan. Duravasaha means avasamanna irukkuறது, அங்கே நிக்கிறது, retention, retaining. Duravasaha means not easily retainable, retained, not easily retained. That's why when you are doing japa, sometime you will forget after some time. Even while you sit meditation and you do mamiyar dhyanam, mamanar dhyanam, illana brother-in-law or sister-in-law or neighbor dhyanam. For 10 minutes we do dhyanam on the Lord, and after 10 minutes you retain it panna mudiyadu. Very difficult to retain. That's why Shastra, even you listen, கேட்கும்போது நல்லா இருக்கும், வெரி நைஸ். 1 hour டைமே தெரியாது. அப்போ வெளியில் செப்பல் போட்டின உடனே என்ன சொன்னாங்க சுவாமி இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸில், அதுதான் ஞாபகம் இல்லைன்னு. அது ரிட்டென்ஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் அన్నమాట. ஸோ ஃபோக்கஸிங், listening and retention also important. A person who retain the knowledge inside only can assimilate. Retention இல்லைன்னா என்ன assimilate பண்ண முடியும்? So when I retain the subject, whatever I heard, then only I can assimilate. So while going walking also, உடனே செப்பல் போடின உடனே இன்னைக்கு என்ன பொரியல் பண்ண வீட்டில், அதனால டாக் வரக்கூடாது. I have to live in that subject for a length of time. I should not enter in the worldly talk immediately. Don't allow the mind. Don't even going also talk the same thing. Let it continue for some time throughout the day if possible. Not possible, at least 1 hour 2 hours. நமக்கு அப்படி இல்லை, செப்பல் போட்டு கிளாஸ் பூர்ணமதா பூர்ணமித சொன்ன உடனே அப்பயே வரும், என்ன நடக்கிறதோ வீட்டில் அமக்கலாம், குழந்தை என்ன பண்ணுறானோ என்னமோ அதை பார்த்துட்டு மனசுக்கு என்ன ரீடைன் பண்ண முடியும்? கஷ்டம், ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ ரிட்டென்ஷன் துராவாசக பகவான். துராரிஹான், துராரிணோ அரிஹி என்ன சத்ருஸ், தானவாஸ். துராரிண தானவாதய, தானவாஸ், all the Rakshasas. Tan Hanti, the one who destroyed all the enemies, Rakshasas, Durariha. The Lord Vishnu is one who destroyed all the enemies. So therefore, many bhaktas, singers, they sang, you killed so many people, Kamsa, Ravana, Hiranyakashipu, all people you have killed. Why can't you kill my raga dvesha? Why can't you kill my kama krodhan? Oh Bhagavan, kill those enemies which are really enemies for me. You have to ask. You have to ask. Kill those enemies. So Durariha, they are the real enemies. So who destroys? Bhagavan destroys your raga, dvesha, kama, krodha enemies only, you will get gnana. So he was the one, by his blessings only we can destroy our inner enemies. Antashatru are very dangerous than outer shatrus. Outer enemies, Pakistan, Pakistan, all people are in Kashmir and creating the problem. Antashatrus, how many days, years we are struggling. Antashatrus are dangerous. If Thirudan வீட்ல இருந்தா என்ன பண்றது? Thirudan வீட்ல Thirudan கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. Outside person means you can find out and give punishment. Similarly, outside anything you can find out and remove, but inside enemy is very, very difficult to destroy unless Bhagavan Bhakti is not there. Okay, next sloka we will read and complete. Shubhango lokasarangah Shutantu vardhanah Indrakarma mahakarma Kritakarma kritagamah. The 782 Shubhangaha Shobhanaihi Angaihi Dhyayatvat or Dhyayatvat. Shobhanaihi means Mangalakaram, auspicious, beautiful. Shobhanaihi Angaihi means organs, limbs. Shobhanaihi Angaihi Dhyayatvat. Dhyaya means what is your object of worship, meditation. The Lord who is beautiful, who is very, very beautiful. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is one who is meditated by his bhaktas by seeing him as the beautiful limbs. Therefore, in Vishnu Sahasranama also we sing that slokas. What are the slokas? Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Hridjanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavavayaharam Sarva Lokaikana. All these slokas in description of the Lord. By description, we enjoy in meditation. First Shaguna Ishvara, then enjoy that beauty of the Lord. And the Vatapatra Shai, how he nice and keeping his toe in his mouth. The small Krishna, good Krishna, you enjoy the beauty. Subha Angaihi Dhyayatvat. So start with Saguna Upasana Dhyanam. Nirantara Chintanam, Bhagavan Chintanam. And slowly seeing the Bhagavan, total Ishvara, Vishwarupam. And here also. The ultimate culmination matter. Shubhangaha. Lord Vishnu is called as Shubhangaha. Therefore, my angas are also none other than Bhagavan's angams only. அதனால எல்லாமே பவித்திரம் தானே, திட்டக்கூடாது. இந்த மாதிரி கை, இந்த மாதிரி காலு, பகவானது தலை, பகவான் காலு, பகவான் கை தான் இது. அது மாதிரி நினைச்சு ஆவாகனம் பண்ணணும். பண்ணிட்டு பூஜை பண்ணி ஒரு பவித்திரமான ஒரு தேவாலயம் மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கணும். இந்த உடம்பே ஒரு தேவாலயம், அதுக்குள்ள கிருஷ்ணர் இருக்காரு. அது ஒரு சின்ன தேவாலயம், அப்புறம் நிஜமான தேவாலயம் இதுதான் தேவாலயம். இந்த தேவாலயத்தில் கோபம் அழுக்கு கிழக்கு இருந்ததுன்னா வாஷ் பண்ணணும். Rinno, soap, surf, whatever you like, wash it. Satsanga is the best surf. No? Satsanga, you sit with Mahatmas, reading, studying, that itself washes away our impurity, aluk in this Devalayam, which is the body Devalayam. Then the Bhagavan manifests, who is there already covered, he will be discovered. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.